Hey guys, this is a follow-up on my upside down drone. This actually flies like this, and what I suggested on my last video was getting a different types of nuts for here. So I ordered 2 different sets. One thing I should mention about these motors, they're all clockwise screws, so it's kind of a problem. If you have counterclockwise, that really helps. So I got these, so it kind of is able to, it's a little taller, and when the motor is spinning before takeoff, you know, I think these would make a great thing. The problem is you have to have like a Allen wrench to tighten them on and off, and like I said, all being clockwise, you have a risk of not tightening them enough and maybe them coming off. So I kind of wish I would have used counterclockwise thread motors on here, but these were on sale, so I just got these. Another set of bolts that you could use are these ones, and these are kind of nice because they have the hex, so you can use your wrench on these and put them on here. And I think I'm going to end up using these just to give you an idea of what it will look like. Wrong side. So there you go. Let me show you what the other ones look like. The other ones are nice because they're a little taller, so you get a little bit more ground clearance. This one I might put some blue Loctite on these. That's what those ones look like. See, they're a lot taller, which is pretty nice. So you put it upside down, the drone will sit a little taller off the floor. I just don't feel comfortable landing on these all the time, I guess. I'm probably going to land on the grass anyways, just to avoid any motor failures and stuff. But for takeoff, it'll take off the pavement or something hard. Anyway, I'll show you guys a video after I go flying this thing. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.